everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Dramatic Learning. So today we are going to talk about aquatic animals. As you all can see that there are so many animals on your screen. Today we are going to talk about them. So let's get started. Our first question is, what are aquatic animals? Aquatic animals are animals that live in the water. They either live in fresh water such as lakes, rivers, ponds, salt water or ocean. Aquatic animals वो animals होते हैं जो पानी के अंदर रहते हैं, like fresh water, lakes, rivers, etc. Now the second question is, how do they breathe? So these animals may breathe air through lungs or gills by extracting the oxygen that is dissolved in water. ये जो aquatic animals होते हैं ये या तो अपनी lungs के थ्रू ब्रीथ करते हैं like human beings, या फिर अपने गिल्स के थ्रू ब्रीथ करते हैं, और इन्हें जो ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड होती है वो ऑलरेडी पानी के अंदर डिजॉल्व होती है. Like we human beings get our oxygen from the surrounding, in the same way these aquatic animals get their oxygen that is dissolved in the water. Dolphin. Now let's see the fun facts about dolphins. It is one of the most beautiful, intelligent and friendly aquatic animals. Dolphin को माना जाता है कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful, intelligent और friendly होती हैं human beings के साथ. It is the only mammal that are born tail first. Dolphins एक वो mammal है जब ये born होती हैं तो इनकी tail पहले हमें दिखाई देती है. Dolphins have two stomachs. Dolphin के two stomachs होते हैं. We human being have only one stomach. Dolphins can live up to 50 years. Dolphin 50 years तक जी सकती हैं. Dolphins never chew their food. Dolphins कभी भी अपना food को chew नहीं करती हैं. But we human beings always have to chew our food. Octopus. Now let's see the fun facts about octopus. Octopus are ocean creatures that are most famous for having 8 arms and bulbous head. Octopus एक ऐसा creature है जिसके 8 arms होते हैं and it is famous for that, and it has a bulbous head. Bulbous head means it is round in shape or it is in the shape of a bulb. They squat in to deter predators and being boneless. प्रेडेटर मीन्स शिकारी. जब भी ऑक्टोपस अपने शिकारी के सामने आता है तो वो एक इंक रिलीज करता है सो दैट वो अपने शिकारी से बच जाए. एंड ऑक्टोपस आर बोनलेस. They can squeeze into tight spaces. They are quite intelligent and have been observed using tools. जो ऑक्टोपस होता है वो अपने आप को बहुत टाइनी भी कर सकता है, अपने आप को स्क्वीज कर सकता है और कोई भी स्पेसेस से निकल सकता है. एज वी कैन सी दैट ऑक्टोपस की बोन्स नहीं होती है, इट इज़ बोनलेस. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ एबल टू स्क्वीज इटसेल्फ. एंड the most amazing part is octopus have 3 hearts. We human beings have only one heart, but octopus have 3 hearts, 9 brains, and it has blue blood. That is amazing. Now let's see what is our next animal. It's a whale. about whales. The blue whale is largest animal that ever lived and can grow to 90 or more feet and weigh as much as 24 elephants. ब्लू व्हेल लार्जेस्ट एनिमल होती है एंड उनका साइज 90 फीट और उससे भी ज़्यादा हो सकता है एंड उनका वेट 24 एलिफेंट्स जितना होता है. Whales live in a large group called pods. Whales जो होती हैं वो फैमिली के साथ रहती हैं, ग्रुप्स में रहती हैं जिनको हम पॉड्स बोलते हैं. जैसे हम ह्यूमन बींग्स फैमिली के साथ रहते हैं और हम उसको फैमिली बोलते हैं. अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ सिबलिंग्स के साथ रहना, वी कॉल इट अ फैमिली. इन द सेम वे whales live in a large group called pods and a baby whale is called a calf. Since whales are not fish, they do not have gills, so they cannot breathe underwater. They breathe through their blowholes. So, एक फन फैक्ट ये है कि whales actually fish नहीं होती है. That is why they do not have gills. उनकी gills नहीं होती है. So आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि अब वो breathe कैसे करेंगी. So they breathe through their blowholes that is over their head. उनको ऊपर आना पड़ता है पानी के to breathe through their blowholes. Now let's see what is our next animal. Starfish. Starfish. Now let's see the fun facts about starfish. Starfish have no brains and no blood. Starfish का कोई brain नहीं होता और कोई blood भी नहीं होता है. They can be really heavy. As we can see that starfish are tiny but it can be really heavy. A starfish is not a fish. Starfish भी एक fish नहीं है. It only has a name, starfish. They usually have 5 arms. Usually starfish have five arms, but 5 arms से ज़्यादा भी उनके arms हो सकते हैं. They cannot survive in fresh water. Starfish fresh water में नहीं जी सकती है. And they can regenerate. Starfish दोबारा से जन्म ले सकती है. It can regenerate. Like plants की अगर हम रूट लगा दें तो वो एक और प्लांट आ जाता है. In the same way, if we have one part of starfish, we can regenerate the starfish. Now let's see what is our next animal. It's a seahorse. A seahorse. Seahorse have 3 main fins. They have one fin on their back and one small fin on each sides of their head. Seahorse also have the fourth fin under their belly for stability and control. So in all, seahorse की 4 fins होती है, 2 at the sides, each side, and 1 at the belly and 1 at the back. A seahorse can use their tail to grasp object. Seahorse अपनी tail से कोई भी object पकड़ सकता है. Seahorse have neck which most fish do not have. Seahorse का neck भी होता है but almost fishes का नहीं होता है, but एक seahorse ऐसा है जिसका neck होता है. A seahorse does not have scales like most fish. Instead, seahorse have skin. So most of the fish have scales, but seahorse have skin like human beings. Now let's see what is our next animal. Jellyfish. Now let's see the fun facts about jellyfish. Jellyfish have no brains, heart, bones or eyes. The jellyfish's mouth is found in the center of its body. Jellyfish का जो mouth होता है वो उनकी center में होता है body के. Jellyfish look like umbrellas. Jellyfish का shape एक umbrella के जैसा होता है. Some jellyfish can be very hard to see, nearly invisible to the human eyes. जेलीफिश इतनी ट्रांसपेरेंट होती हैं और इतनी छोटी भी हो सकती हैं कि हम उनको ह्यूमन आइज से नहीं देख सकते. इट इज़ नियरली इनविजिबल. सो दैट वाज so that was all about aquatic animals. Hope you liked the video. Now what you have to do, you have to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.